Look at that bulldozer.
Oh, it looks like it's out there.
Do you want to go see the bulldozer? Look at this, buddy. Wow. Is that for pushing all the dirt? Look at that big bulldozer. Wow. Look, it rides on tracks. It doesn't have wheels. It has a big track. It doesn't have wheels. Does it have any windows?
No.
No, it doesn't have windows.
It doesn't have doors.
It doesn't have any doors.
It has the roof, though.
It does have a roof. You're right.
That's like this has no doors.
Yeah. Where did everybody go? Are they over there with the doggy? Do you want to go see the doggy?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go over there and see. Can we walk this way? Don't walk in the mud. Come this way. Yeah, we don't want to walk in the mud. Let's go around the mud. All right, and we're going to go see everybody, and we'll go see the doggy.